So I got a dollar store solution to turn this hazy LED headlight from this to this using this. So I got it from Dollarama for $2. It's a scratch remover and I used it on that headlight. It was same condition as this. So I'll do this one in front of you guys to show you how good it works. Okay. So I take one of my old microfiber cloth, put some over it. I'll just clean some first. So I'll put this side where I put a scratch remover and lightly scrub this first. So I'll put some more and put some over here. Put this, and you'll need some elbow grease with it. Well, let's go to work. Some more, just using it. It's only for $2, so a lot better. You come over this side. Looking much better. Okay. So this, I don't think so this is a permanent solution. If you want it to keep looking like this, you might have to wax it every month or so, but for $2, if you had to do it after a couple of months, I don't think so it's bad at all. Look at this. Much better than it was earlier, right? I haven't rubbed it a lot from here, but I'll do it. I'll put some more that scratch remover, some elbow grease, but got the picture. See, now all you have to do is wipe with a clean microfiber and put some wax on. I think it'll be good for a month or two. I'll probably do a review after a couple of months. Let me know what you guys think. See ya.